Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate comfort food, chicken parmesan. This classic Italian dish is perfect for a cozy family dinner or a dinner party with friends. It's cheesy, crispy, and packed with flavor, and the best part is, it's surprisingly easy to make from scratch. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, beaten, 2 cups panko breadcrumbs, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried basil, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/2 tsp red pepper flakes, half a cup olive oil, 2 cups marinara sauce, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Step 1. Prep the chicken. Start by prepping your chicken. Season both sides of each chicken breast with salt and pepper. Then, pound them out to an even thickness using a meat mallet or rolling pin. This will help the chicken cook evenly and make it more tender. Step 2. Coat the chicken. Set up 3 shallow dishes for coating the chicken. In the first dish, add the flour. In the second dish, beat the eggs. In the third dish, mix together the panko breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, dried oregano, dried basil, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Dredge each chicken breast in the flour, shaking off any excess. Then, dip it into the beaten eggs, and finally coat it in the breadcrumb mixture, pressing the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to make sure they stick. Step 3. Fry the chicken. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken breasts and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they are cooked, transfer the chicken to a baking dish. Step 4. Add the sauce and cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Pour the marinara sauce over the chicken, spreading it evenly. Then, sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the top, making sure it covers the chicken completely. Step 5. Bake the chicken. Bake the chicken in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the chicken is cooked through. If you want the cheese to be extra crispy, you can broil the chicken for the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking time. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, if desired. Serve the chicken with your favorite pasta, garlic bread, or a simple green salad. And there you have it, folks, delicious, homemade chicken parmesan that will have your taste buds dancing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.